Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can bring elements, in this case here shapes, on your whiteboard presentation to front or to back. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your whiteboard presentation in the given space on Wrike, and it works almost the same way as on most other project management and task management applications. So what you need to do in your whiteboard presentation is select the given shape. I will go with this rectangle here, and then click into these three dots here, choose one of these options, set as background, move to front, move to back. So as you can see, that rectangle is now behind this rectangle. So if I'd like to move it to the front, I will need to click into this button so that it now overlaps the other shape here. So let me move it, for example, above that shape, and as you can see, it overlaps it, or it is above it. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.